Hey guys, so welcome back to Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to log in to a Brave browser. So guys, in order for you to do this process, first things first, to log in into your Brave browser, first you could just simply go for the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and now over here you could just simply go ahead and go for the more tools. Here on the more tools tab, you should be able to see here guys, add new profile. So go ahead and select add new profile right over here, click on it, and from here, as you can see, you should be able to create your own profile. So let's say I'm gonna go for the Delph sample over here, and after that you could just simply select your color theme, and you could just simply select done, and pretty much you should be able to have your own profile right over here. Now, however, if you don't have the right profile, you would just simply select the profile icon on the top over here, and now you should be able to see here manage Brave profiles. So to log in into your account, from here you could just simply select one of your profile in order for you to log in. So I'm gonna go for Delph sample over here. So pretty much when you click on it, you should be able to log in into your Delph profile. And guys, remember, if you change some settings here on your profile, it will not be changed across all profile. It will only be changed only from your profile. So whatever you do on this profile, it will not share to everyone else. So pretty much if you go to different profile, as you can see, it will look different because they have different settings. So pretty much to log in into your own account on the Brave, just simply go ahead and select your profile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.